Is it a gimmick to have a spear? Is it a gimmick? I don't think so. You're gonna call it that though. I smell it. All right, guys, this is gonna be super quick. I have a mop handle. The mop is basically done, but I specifically got it to use it until I can no longer use it, so I can then cut it up. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and repurpose this specifically for the pole to my spear. Okay. Let's get into it. All right, so this should definitely be more than enough. All we need is a smooth surface at the top of it here that is kind of going in, right, to a smaller point, let's say, moderately tapered. That should be it. Nothing more than this. Super quick video here, guys. Let's go ahead and assemble it. Okay, so by all definitions, this should now basically be a perfect fit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull out the Cold Steel Bushman. Has a fire starter, okay? It's incredibly sharp, shreds through paper like it's basically nothing. It can also be bent at a degree, at like a 45-degree angle from the tip and not break at all here, guys. This is like the budget knife of the century, and I mean that here, okay? Nearly unbreakable. I've never broken one. I own 3 of these blades, the exact same one here. At the bottom of it, beautifully enough, it has a spear pole hole using the mop handle, the wooden mop handle specifically that we just... Let's go ahead and actually put the cover back on it for now while we're doing this, utilizing it. Safety first here, guys. All right. And we're just going to twist it on. Now, it has a hole for a nail. All right. Just a simple nail. If you can see it here, just a simple nail. Here's a simple hole. And now all we're going to do, the nail, get your hammer. Now, I'm gonna be honest here. Normally when it comes to using any type of like pole arm type of scenario, I would prefer not to use a nail because they're moderately hard to kind of get out, right? I would say use a screw. With a nail, the nail is holding it. It's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so now we have it nailed in. It's not gonna go anywhere. We have an entire now spear. That's crazy. That is crazy sharp. Hold on, guys. This is a spear that is shaving sharp. All right? A shaving sharp spear. Like specifically, if you like hunting and you've actually thrown a spear before and you know how to use it, go ahead. All right, go ahead and get yourself one of these right here immediately. It's made by the brand Cold Steel. Like I said, it's incredibly sharp. You basically cannot break this at all. You can also use it as a knife completely without actually ever setting it up as a spear. But the beauty of having something like this is that if this is all you have, you don't have to worry about, setting up like an emergency spear with some type of paracord or whatever cordage you have on you. It's just ready, bro. Okay. And the knife itself is $19. Okay. And I would definitely put this knife up against like a lot of my favorite other knives. Overall usage out of something like this in the field, let's say, than this, right? And this is a gigantic monstrosity. 8.3 inches, made in America, company Bakor, walnut, incredibly thick, right? Crazy pummel, 8.3 inches, wild. This is just wild. But I can definitely tell you this right now. I think when it comes down to it, the Cold Steel is perfectly fine for me. And if I do so happen to lose this, I'd rather lose $20 than, more, let's say. Just practice, guys. Make sure you're practicing. Make sure your form is good. It's incredibly sharp. It's an amazing thing. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. This is a super quick video. I think the next video we'll probably go ahead and start talking about the blowguns eventually. But we'll get into that. This is normally in my truck bag. I have a couple of these that sit for the sole purpose of hunting. But all right, I'll catch you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for stopping by. Again, I'm not, this is, guys, this is not a sponsored video at all. This is not sponsored. I'm just telling you, easily one of my favorite, super favorite budget type of knives, guys, okay?